You still read fans' hate comments about your personal life.
Sometimes I do.
Dehradun, Mumbai or Dubai? You can only pick one for rest of your life.
Mumbai. The one role you wish you never played. Name, please. I think I'll take a sip.
Have you ever caught feelings for someone and regretted it? Sip की तरह. हाँ या ना भी बोल सकते हो. One actor you would never want to work with again and why?
मैं देखो मेरी तबीयत खराब है. इसमें करनी नहीं. खुद ना.
आज के एपिसोड में आज हम लेके आने वाले हैं एक ऐसी अदाकारा जो बहुत खूबसूरत, सेक्सी एंड हर दिलों में छाई हुई है. इनके रिश्ते क्या क्या कहलाते हैं सालों भर से, ये भी आज हमें पता चलेगा, क्योंकि ये सीधा ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है से लेकर बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं तक को जानी जाती है. ये अदाकारा है खुद अपने घर पे आ रही है, क्योंकि ये घर है बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं का. तो आज हम बुलाएंगे शिवांगी जोशी. हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
वेरी गुड. आप कैसे?
वेलकम टू ऑनेस्टली व्हाई नॉट.
थैंक यू.
Sit directly to the spotlight. We'll have some questions. Shivangi, this round is called as Unmask It,
Okay.
where we are going to ask you a few questions and you are going to unmask it by simply saying that whether it was true or false. So, अगर true था, you need to tell me why. If it is a lie, also you need to tell me why.
Okay.
ठीक है. The first question is, you were rejected from a web show because the makers felt you were overexposed on television.
True.
True?
Yeah.
Which one?
I can't say that.
You can't say.
I can't say that, but it was a big show.
It was a big show.
Yeah.
Okay. You still read fans' hate comments about your personal life.
Sometimes I do.
Sometimes you do.
Sometimes, yeah.
Does that affect?
I don't. Sometimes I think it's very human.
Okay.
See, I take what is good for me and what will help me grow. The criticism, the hate comments. Not the hate comments, actually the criticism. So yeah, I take what helps me grow and I let the rest go.
That's good. You have taken a break from social media to reset.
No, बीच में actually मैंने break ले लिया था because I was unwell and I couldn't.
Reset के लिए नहीं लिया था.
नहीं,
नहीं ना?
reset के लिए कभी नहीं लिया.
कभी नहीं लिया.
नहीं.
Okay. You have sent a voice note to the wrong person by mistake.
Yeah, I
Is
have. I have. क्या क्यों नहीं बता सकती, but I
Okay.
have.
Okay.
I think ये हम सब ने कभी ना कभी किया, आपने भी
Of
किया.
course, yeah. I have also done. Certain times it happens, like suddenly भेज दिया तो बाद में पता चलता है
नहीं,
उसका था
कभी
ही
कभी क्या होता है ना, आप किसी के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हो और आई थिंक वो आपके
Mind में
सबकॉन्शियस में
रहता
रहता है और आप किसी और को कुछ और बताना चाह रहे होते हो, भेजना चाह रहे होते हो, बट आप उसी का नाम टाइप करके उसको भेज देते हो. सो दैट हैपेंस.
You have been offered 2 shows at once and chosen purely on gut instinct.
आई हैव.
Which one?
ये रिश्ता.
ये
ये
रिश्ता.
रिश्ता क्या कहलाता
And दूसरा कौन सा था?
था?
नहीं बता सकती.
नहीं बता सकती हूँ, बट अभी मुझे शो का नाम याद नहीं है. रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन हाउस.
Okay.
शो का नाम याद नहीं है मुझे, बट हम ये रिश्ता DKP के ऑफिस में थे एंड उन लोगों ने मुझे जाने ही नहीं दिया. एंड देन वी वर लाइक,
Okay.
लेट्स गो अहेड विद दिस.
Okay. You have gone silent during an interview when asked a spicy question.
आई एम श्योर कभी ना कभी तो हुआ होगा. आई डोंट
So
रिमेंबर.
you became silent.
पता नहीं. हाँ, हो सकता है
अगर-
मुझे याद नहीं है, बट हो सकता है.
अगर ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछ दिया तो you will be silent.
यस.
Okay. There were a lot of noise recently about एक तरफा प्यार and moving on. True or false?
आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट.
Okay. You have googled your own relationship status at 2 a.m.
नो.
Never.
अपना रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस आपको खुद पता होना चाहिए. यू डोंट हैव टू गूगल.
Okay. That's what we had it for Unmask It. And
thank
next
you.
we'll be
It was
going for
easy.
Sip and Spill.
ओके.
Done.
Done.
So this is honestly why not ka Sip and Spill,
Okay.
where you need to pick up a question and if you don't want to answer, spill it out, then you need to take a sip.
क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं?
इसमें तो है सॉसेस एंड विनेगर एंड लेमन जूस, बट अगर ये आंसर सही निकला तो कल का हेडलाइन भी हो सकता है, या फिर डिजास्टर जूस पी लो.
वाह वाह वाह.
2 से 1. लेट्स स्टार्ट.
ओके. The one role you wish you never played. Name, please.
I think
I think I'll take a sip. No, actually, why? Why should I take a sip?
हाँ.
ऐसा कोई रोल है ही नहीं जो मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा और रिग्रेट किया हो प्ले करना.
अच्छा.
ऐसा कोई भी शो
I
नहीं.
thought you will directly tell Behad's Maya.
नहीं,
That
no,
was
the question
different,
is one
ना?
role you wish you I've never played. जो
अच्छा.
मैंने प्ले किया, जो मैंने कभी प्ले ना किया, मतलब मैं रिग्रेट किया हो करने के बाद, में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं.
कोई नहीं है.
नहीं.
चलो,
I don't
next.
need to take a sip.
Yeah. The most scandalous thing you have done on set.
एक बार मैं तरापे पे चढ़ गई थी.
Set पे.
तरापा आई थिंक ऑडियंस को शायद काफी लोगों को ना पता तरापा क्या होता है. जो सेट्स होते हैं, सेट के ऐसे बहुत बड़ा सेट होता है ना, तो ऊपर ऐसे वुडन ऐसे पैनल लगे होते हैं चढ़ने के लिए, जहाँ पे सारे लाइट दादा और सब लोग वो लाइटिंग वाइटिंग के लिए सब सेटअप करते हैं. मुझे पता नहीं क्या खुराफात मची थी. मैंने कहा मैं जाऊंगी और मैं देखूंगी ऊपर से नीचे सेट कैसा लगता है. और मैं सेट पे चढ़ गई थी ऊपर तरापे पे.
Okay. So,
आई थिंक ये सारे सिप.
have you ever caught feelings for someone and regretted it? सिप की तरफ. हाँ या ना भी बोल सकते हो.
मैं क्यों
You don't need to mention.
मैं बोलूंगी ही नहीं. I'll take a sip.
Okay, lemon.
अच्छा.
खट्टा है. बिल्कुल आंसर की तरह.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने.
ठीक है. Next.
या
One actor you would never want to work with again, and why?
मैं देखो मेरी तबीयत खराब है.
No, but whom you don't want to work, you can mention.
God, no, that's disrespectful.
But it means you have someone whom you don't want to work.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. Wow. What is this?
This is chili sauce.
चिली सॉस.
Yeah.
पहले नींबू पिला दिया, मेरे पेट में कौन सी डिश बन गई है.
How is it? It's spicy. It's tomato sauce. It's nice.
Yeah.
One insane thing you had to do to get a role.
Nothing.
Nothing. You've not done any insane thing to get a role.
No.
Okay.
Nothing. ये क्या question?
Name one celeb whose breakup drama was far more entering than their own show. This is interesting question.
मैं पी ही लेती हूँ. मैं पी लेती हूँ. क्या ही.
But you know.
आंसर. या.
हाँ.
मैं पी लेती.
Okay.
Okay.
Who is one co-star who pretends to be sweet, but this is the biggest red flag?
मुझे बीमार करना चाहते हो क्या?
नहीं.
पिला पिला के ये क्या
But
सवाल है?
one co-star who pretends to be sweet, but is the biggest red flag. मतलब वो sweet है, but red flag है.
हाँ, तो मैं कैसे आंसर कर सकती हूँ इसे?
क्योंकि अगर पता है तो कर सकते हो ना.
नहीं कर सकते ना.
नहीं.
ये सब पिलाएंगे मुझे, नहीं कर सकते. पता है मुझे.
हाँ.
नहीं बता सकते. अब ये क्या?
टोमेटो सॉस. Oh, there is no questions left.
अच्छा है, ये तो कड़वा नहीं पीती मैं. Done.
So,
Hurrah! I think I did well.
yeah, you did well.
चलो.
So you have any questions to ask?
Oh yeah, I have to ask you now. एक सेकंड, क्या बचा है? ये बचा है.
अच्छा.
Now I will ask you. ये क्वेश्चन
कि सेट के मुझे पूछ नहीं सकते क्योंकि मैं तो सेट पे गया नहीं. कौन से सेट पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ?
पूछती हूँ.
कुछ और पूछ सकते हो.
Have you ever got feelings for someone and regretted it? And who?
Yeah, I have got feelings, but
But
regretted. But who I can't say.
so you have to drink.
I can take a sip like you did.
Yeah, do that. What's your relationship status?
I'm in a relationship. With whom you can't ask. This question is done. No, that was done. So I already asked.
Wait, Kariti. Now my next question is with who? Who is that? Lucky.
That is very suspense.
Drink.
I drink the soya sauce.
Drink. Now, you name one celeb whose breakup drama was far more entering.
I think
Whose breakup drama was interesting.
whose breakup drama was interesting. I think your show, Karan Mehra and Nisha Rawal. ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है?
Oh, okay.
But I drank 2 and you had 4.
Yeah.
That was for our that was for sip and chill round, and now we're gonna go तेरे मेरे बीच में. Let's see what is there. चलो. Okay, so this round is तेरे मेरे बीच में.
Okay.
जो भी होगा हमारे बीच में सवाल जवाब हम पूछ सकते हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है, so let me ask this. What's one piece of advice that stuck with you?
That be honest and sincere to your work and efforts, put efforts. Because effort is something that camera really captures, the honest efforts. Yeah.
That's the reason you are in my show. Honestly, why not?
Good one!
If you weren't acting, what would you be doing right now?
I wanted to be an army doctor.
Army doctor?
Yeah.
You want to treat a patients of army?
Yeah, I wanted to be an army doctor, or that was my plan A. और अगर for whatever reason वो नहीं successful हो पाता तो I dance. So I wanted to have my own dance school, my dance academy जहाँ मैं dance सीखती, सिखाती.
Okay. Any memories that you can share from your own set of बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
Yeah.
ये हमारा सेट था, बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत प्यारा. आते ही वो पूरा नॉस्टैल्जिया मुझे फील हो रहा था. इनफैक्ट ये एरिया में यहाँ पे जो कद्दू जो था मेरा डॉग शो में, उसका घर था. यहाँ पे उसका बेड होता था छोटा सा. तो मेरा इंट्रो यहीं पे शूट हुआ था. मतलब मैं यहाँ से वॉक करके आ रही हूँ, गो टू कद्दू एंड देन यहाँ से जा रही हूँ. सो इट वाज वेरी स्वीट.
मतलब कैसे लग रहा है कि खुद के सेट पे आओ बट ये सेट अब मेरा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. हाँ, मेरा भी है ना, मेरा भी था.
तुम्हारा भी था.
तो हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है. बहुत प्यारी मेमोरीज हैं शो की.
Okay. So, fans are always curious about your personal life. So, I must ask this one on their behalf. What's your relationship status? Though I know, I want you to answer.
Fans are curious or you are curious?
No, I know it, that whatever the answer is, but fans are curious.
I'm single. And I think मेरी जो audience है वो इस चीज़ के लिए ज़्यादा curious होगी कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ या मेरा अगला project कौन सा आने वाला है, or if I'm happy or not. So I think they're more curious about this than that. But yeah, I'm happy and I'm single.
Okay. What are your thoughts about dating men in the industry?
I don't think it's about the industry. I mean, I don't think it's about the profession. I think it's about the person. वो respect. It's actually about the respect, about the understanding, the love, and values. So I don't think the profession really matters.
Good. Do you have a guilty pleasure or hobby that indulge in secretly?
Guilty pleasure? Yes, I do. I mean, I binge watch.
Okay.
And that too cartoons. जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैं तब cartoons देखती थी. I like watching Oswald, Noddy, Doraemon.
अभी
and
भी?
all the yeah, even now, और Barbie movies और ये सारी चीज़ें मैं अभी भी देखती हूँ. And also, when I'm not doing anything, I like to do nothing.
Nothing. Just watch cartoons.
Just sleep and do nothing. Just be in my room and do nothing. कुछ नहीं करना है फिर मुझे कभी.
Oh. What's the one thing that instantly lifts your mood on a rough day?
Good music, good food, and also talking to my dad.
Music as in what kind of songs you listen?
वो मूड पे डिपेंड करता है.
मूड एकदम खुश मिजाज हुआ
तो अच्छे खुश वाले गाने एकदम.
साजन जी घर आए.
नहीं.
Are you active on social?
अभी जैसे एक गाना है जो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. I think किसी ने किसी रियलिटी शो पे गाया था. I don't think I should say. लोग कहानियाँ बनाएंगे. I don't want people to.
No, it's okay. You can say the song. कहानियों से तुम्हें डर ही नहीं लगना चाहिए. You're very strong.
नहीं डर नहीं लगता मुझे. But I don't want people to talk about unnecessary things. Not that it matters, but.
गाना कौन सा था बेट?
ना तेरे आने का अब इंतजार भी नहीं है. Something like that. I think लोग समझ गए मैं कौन सा गाना मेंशन कर रही हूँ. That is a very nice song and also दूरों दूरों. It's a beautiful song. सभी मैं आजकल मेरे ये लूप पे चलते हैं ये गाने.
हाँ.
Yeah.
What's the rumor or misconception about you that you want to clear on our show? क्योंकि this is honestly why not,
Okay.
right? So honestly you can clear something.
Okay, honestly, sometimes I really wonder what's worst, to be understood or misunderstood. So I I just let people think whatever they want to, and because I know my reality, and so that doesn't change anything for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
You play characters who fixed broken men IRL. Do you prefer a guy who is a project you can fix or someone who is a sorted or stable?
I don't know. I think, but in real life, you know, I also feel I think it's the situation and the reactions. अब वो हर किसी के हर situation के हिसाब से अलग हो सकते हैं. Valid, invalid, I'm not talking about that, but अलग हो सकते हैं. So I think it's more about the situation, but I would want to be with someone who I think relationship is about growing together. And yeah, I would want to be with someone who brings out the best in me, and similarly you know, I can bring out the best in him. Yeah, that's it. I think, yeah, it's about growing together.
Growing together.
Yeah.
So that was Tere Mere Beech Mein. Now moving on to the last and final round.
Oh, there is more?
Yeah, that's a rapid fire round.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you questions.
Okay.
Rapidly you're going to answer. After that you
I
have a
will try.
sweet hamper.
Oh, how nice.
The first question is, name one celeb who should ask you out already.
Nobody.
Nobody?
No.
Not from your side, from someone else?
No. I don't know.
Okay.
But right now from my side, no.
Who is one viral trend of 2025 that everyone on Instagram is doing, but you secretly wish would just stop?
What is that trend? I don't understand that.
I thought just now from Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, Anita ji stopped it. That was
Yeah.
Yeah, that she stopped by slapping. Stop this trend.
Oh shit, what?
Yeah.
Really?
मतलब general reel में उन्होंने वो किया. I thought
Good.
that trend was
Good,
good.
I like it.
What's the one song that hypes you up? What
She
was the
rises and she glows. It's a very nice, meaningful song.
What was the last film or series that made you say, I wish I had played that character?
So many.
One.
I wanted to be Elle in Stranger Things.
Okay.
and a lot of characters I want to play. Yeah.
Okay. Dehradun, Mumbai or Dubai? You can only pick one for rest of your life.
Mumbai.
Mumbai? Sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mumbai is my janm and my karm bhumi.
Okay, दोनों.
Yeah.
Same cities, who is the best man?
ये आपके सवाल ऐसे क्यों है? मुझे नहीं
क्योंकि
पता.
rapid fire है.
पता नहीं. I don't know. I don't think इस city से कोई फर्क पड़ता है.
But best man तो होंगे ना मुंबई.
मुंबई में
करम और
के लोग
धर्म
भी
अगर
तो हो
मुंबई
सकते हैं ना. दुबई के लोग भी तो हो सकते हैं
Of
ना.
course, दुबई का ही है. So that's why I wanted to ask. Dubai's men are best compared to all other.
सब अच्छे हैं. दुनिया में लोग अच्छे होने चाहिए.
You also said Dubai ना अभी.
नहीं, मैंने कहा आप भी तो दुबई से हैं, मुंबई में.
हाँ तो.
मैं भी देहरादून से हूँ, मुंबई में.
अच्छा like that.
हाँ, तो कोई ऐसे नहीं. आई थिंक सिटी से नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
Okay.
पर देहरादून के लोग वैसे ज्यादातर अच्छे होते हैं.
हाँ. A glamorous dinner date at a rooftop of Dubai or quite long drive in Dehradun with no paps around.
Quite long drive with no paps around in Dehradun. हाँ, otherwise you get very conscious.
तो दुबई नहीं जाना चाहते?
दुबई is also beautiful. क्यों नहीं जाना चाहूँगी?
Okay.
सब जगह जाऊँगी मैं, घूमूंगी.
What is your guilty
With
pleasure?
my family. Yeah.
What is your guilty pleasure?
Watching cartoons.
Dehradun's
And also
bun
having
tikki,
meetha. Also
loving
having meetha.
Meetha.
Yeah.
Same here.
Yeah.
Dehradun's bun tikki और मुंबई's वड़ा पाव?
You know, there was a time जब मैं वड़ा पाव नहीं खाती थी क्योंकि मैंने खाया ही नहीं था और मुझे पता ही नहीं था और मैं पूछती थी पता नहीं क्या इतना हाइप है, सब खाते हैं, मैं नहीं खाऊंगी. फिर मैं जब खाने लगी, oh my god, I love वड़ा पाव. तो जब बॉम्बे होती हूँ तो वड़ा पाव, जब देहरादून जाती हूँ तो फर्स्ट थिंग आई हैव इज बन टिक्की.
What is bun tikki?
कि बन होता है, उसमें आलू की टिक्की होती है विद चटनी, हरी चटनी, लाल चटनी, दही एंड सम चाट मसाला एंड सम अनियंस एंड इट्स अमेजिंग.
Date, hookup, marry. ईशान खट्टर, एल्विश यादव एंड रोहित सराफ.
किल नहीं,
नहीं.
किल ही मैं आपको बता सकती थी बस.
किल तो सब हो गए, इसमें से बताओ जल्दी.
नहीं, nobody, nothing.
No, you have to at least
No
pick
dating,
one.
no dating नहीं तो फिर marriage.
It's a hypothetical question.
नहीं,
There's
मेरे
not
पास
really you're gonna
hypothetical भी
date.
आंसर नहीं है. डेट में करना नहीं चाहती, जब डेट नहीं करना चाहती तो शादी की तो बात ही नहीं
तो
आती.
दोनों नहीं करना है तो हुकअप ही कर लो फिर.
नहीं, ये नमस्ते. नहीं.
So I have to put from your mind, should I put the assigning order? Whom to date, whom to marry, whom to hook up?
ये अपने आप अपने हिसाब से बताइए. मैं तो नहीं, I will not answer.
Okay, so behalf of you, I can tell marry Elvish Yadav, hook up Ishan Khattar, and date Rohit Saraf. So according to my orders.
अपने क्वेश्चन का खुद ही जवाब देते हुए, मोहम्मद जी.
Because honestly, why not?
I think I should have nachos.
Nachos.
Okay.
That was a
Yeah.
cool rapid fire round we had, and that took good.
Yeah. Which was not rapid at all, but yeah.
Yeah, it was not rapid at all because you took a lot of time. And Tere Mere Meech Mein was a good conversation. There was sip and spill was very nice, and we had a very good time. And it was pleasure having you here.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much. From our side, it is a small hamper. So thank you so much for coming here. For honestly, why not? And you were so honest. For
Yeah.
that reason, you'll receive a hamper, which
Oh,
is with
thank
your
you.
name, and
Thank
it's
you so
amazing.
much.
And it was very pleasure to have you here.
Thank you. It
Be
was a
coming for the
pleasure.
next season, all the seasons.
Okay. I will. Thank you. Oh,
Thank you so
it's
much.
very heavy.